Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I want to talk about a great promotion that is going on in July, which is the Stamping Pad family. So you get a Stamping Pad family whenever you join our Stampin' Up family by purchasing the starter kit. So I wanted to show you what the starter kit looks like, and let me just tell you one thing. You can customize this kit to whatever your liking is. Just doing some selection of items so that you can get a visual as to how much or how many things you'll get. It really is up to you. One of the options is this one, get a designer series paper. The one that I am picking today is the Animal Expedition, which is the one that has all these little cute critters, and it has also great designs. And then I'm also picking two cardstock packs. One, which is the Animal Expedition cardstock, which has the three colors because you want to be making a lot of cards. So I think that if you have one that has three colors in the pack will be great, because that way you can start doing different looks. And of course, Whisper White, because you do want to get the Stampin' Up cardstock for stamping. This is so smooth. Your inking, your stamping or your inking will be great when you're using this one. So I have those two. Let me just put it that way so you can see what we're getting. Then I picked, of course, a bundle, because this is already 10% when you get them as a bundle. So you can get a bundle in your starter kit, and of course I have to pick the one coordinating this one, so it kind of makes sense. But again, you can pick and choose to whatever you want. This one is Animal Outing and Animal Friends templates, and again, you already saved 10% of those, and you can add it as a bundle on your starter kit, so you will still get more items by getting bundles. Then, because you're going to be doing so many cards, I figure we need the clear envelopes to be added. That way you can melt your cards. And I always use clear envelopes because I feel like it's great. People can see your cards as you are mailing them. I mean, the post office will see them, the mail guy too. And so anyway, then I picked, because you're going to be getting the stamping pad, I picked the black Memento, Tuxedo Black Memento ink, as well as the chamois, which is our new way to clean, or a new option to clean your stamp. This is great because it only needs water, so you use it to clean your stamp sets as you are stamping. So awesome tool. So I decided to add one chamois and of course the ink pad. And then I thought that for us to do cards, we need to embellish them. So I figure let's add some pearlized doilies, which are really cute, some rhinestones, and then of course I picked the, let me see this. I'm missing one thing, but anyway, I picked two of the ribbons. This one is the Very Burst Metallic Edge, which coordinates really well with the paper pack. And then I also picked the one that is called Classic with Ribbon, and this one is the white one. And I also picked, which I don't know, here it is. I'm like, I don't know what I did with it. I also picked the twine. So I picked the Silver and Pool Party Baker's twine, because again, you want to have some embellishments for your cards. And this one, I picked the colors based on what we have available on this. So you have Very Burst, Lemon Lime Twist, and you have Pool Party. Now I was debating with us, and again, it doesn't matter. There is one ribbon that is already on Pool Party. on Lemon Lime, so you can change it. Again, this is just an example, but you see you get a lot of stuff here. Now, if you were to purchase all of these, say that you love everything and you purchase, sorry about that, I moved my camera. Say that you like everything. So this is about $124, I believe it is, or $123. I think that's when I did the math. That's what it was. But anyway, you can pick up to $125 worth of products. So I picked about 124, but say it's 125. If I were to pay my shipping and my taxes, it came out to be about $148 for all of these. Okay, say this. Now, if I did it again. If I purchase a starter kit and get the same items, I'm only paying $99 plus taxes, which to me, to my area, would be about $107. So right there, it's a great deal, right? I mean, you're already saving there. Well, on top of that, you're gonna get a full family of ink pads. So not only do you get the $125 worth of products, but like in this case, I'm just doing a visual because you'll get all these colors, 10 colors. You will be getting, on top of all that, you get 10 ink pads of the family that you choose. In this case, I picked the one that is called the Brights family. Now, you would be getting all on this type. This is the old type of the stamping pads, and you can see how they look now with the new type. And I'll show it to you real quick, but it will be all the same. So anyway, you will be getting the one. To me, this is great because they open easier. You can see it here. You just open it and then pull through. If you want to close it, just make sure you pull it all the way and then flip it and you're done. One of the other things that it's great about those, you get those labels for the inside as well as the outside. To me, that was like the best deal ever. You have the little feet here so they stack better when you're putting them on top of each other. And these are a little bit thinner, so to me, I have fat fingers, so I end up with a little bit more of ink on my hands. Have managed to not ink myself during this video, so I'm getting better at it. And the other thing that is great is also the formula on the ink pads. The ink formulation, it's different. It has a defoamer. Honestly, on that part, I never really saw an issue with the old ones, but I guess the lighter, I've been hearing that the lighter colors sometimes have some bubbles. I never saw it on mine, but I guess some people did see it, and so Stampin' Up! Decided that they need to put a defoamer on their formulation. So that's how it looks, and you can see they stack pretty well, and it is 10 of them. Now, you do get the ones from a family. So let me just show you real quick, and I have it here, because there are 5 options that you can get. And so one of them is getting all the ink colors. So you get all 10 of them as part of your choice. Or you can get all the neutrals, and you can see them here. This is the one that I picked, the Bright collections, because I love all the colors. There's another one that is really nice, and this one is the Subtles collection. And then you have also the Wriggles collection. So you can pick and choose whichever you want of those families as your free color family. And honestly, that's another $67.50 of free products in addition to everything you're getting. So again, you only paying about $107, maybe $110, because I'm assuming, I don't know, you get like $107 for all of these, and then your ink pad. So I think it's a great promotion. I'm also going to be doing another video just to talk about what it is to join my group, but I wanted to show what it was, an example of what you get on the starter kit. And again, you can pick and choose whatever you like because it's 100% your choice. You just pick $125 worth of products and you only pay $99 plus tax. So if you have any questions, let me know. Put it on the comments. You can also email me at stamping.miranda@gmail.com, and I'll put it on the comments. I'll put it on the description, as well as the other video where I will be talking what it is to join my team. And so anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this. It's really quick. Just wanted to make sure you all had a visual of what it was like. So anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And do leave me a comment if you have any questions regarding the starter kit. And I'll put also the link of the other video where I'll talk what it is to be a part of my group. So thank you so much and take care. Bye.